Hey gang, Matt the Helpful Home Inspector, coming at you from a home over in Waterford that I'm inspecting today. And sometimes as a home inspector, we see things, but we just think there might be more going on that we can't see. As a home inspector, generally, all I can do is visually look at the interior and exterior of the home. I can't take things apart. I can't disassemble things. I can't poke or prod things that would damage the home at all. So when I come across situations like this, where I'm seeing water issues around all the windows and doors, poor flashing at the exterior, that's probably caused this issue. And this stuff down here, this is soft. This is like mushy gushy. So we have a big issue here. Now, the question here is it just gonna be that the windows need to be replaced? If that's the case, that's one expense. And that's not a little expense, but it's still just one expense. The problem is when we have that much water coming in and that much water damage happening that's visible, what in that wall is not visible that's going to add to the cost of these repairs. Now, in a real estate transaction, things generally need to be fixed or repaired within a 30-day window, whatever that window for closing is. Can it be extended? Yeah, but it's tough because real estate transactions, one person's selling because they're moving into their next one, which is contingent on them moving into, then those people move into the next one. And it's this whole domino thing that's happening in a real estate transaction most of the time. So if we're looking at these repairs as a home buyer, the best you could do is get a contractor to come out and give you an estimate on what they think is going to be the cost to repair. But you got to go into that knowing that, hey, there's potential, very good potential, that there's going to be further damages discovered as we start to tear off the building materials to repair the area. And that's true with any construction project. Whenever I talk to somebody about a construction project that they're going at their home, I always suggest, hey, build in an extra 20% of flexibility. Build in that flexibility so that in the event that there is further issues discovered, you have the funds figured out and managed within that project to take care of those other issues, because you don't want to put everything back together and cover up a problem just because you didn't have the money to fix the other problem that was discovered. So it's just something that as a real estate transaction, you got to consider the risks that go along when you're seeing this kind of stuff and kind of plan for it. But does it mean you have to blow up the deal? No, you just need to plan that, hey, yes, I know I'm gonna have to replace windows, but I also may have some rot damage that may need to be repaired in the structure as well. So just something to keep in mind. But thanks again for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so we can let you know when we're having new stuff come out, and then like it if you like it. All right, share it if you like, that'd be great. Thanks again for tuning in, you guys. I really can't tell you how much I appreciate you. Remember, you guys, the better you take care of your house, the better it's going to take care of you. Have a great one. We'll see you next time.